So, got a surprise package in the mail today. This is what I came home to. A package from Karen Doss marked Fragile. Yeah, that must be, that's Italian. It's a major award. Yes, I know you know the movie. Got to stick with the Christmas theme. Doesn't look like it's a leg lamp, though. It's not in a big enough package, so. So yeah, I came home today to a surprise package, and it's a surprise package because the U.S. Postal Service tracking website has been down all weekend since like Friday, so I haven't been able to tell if any packages were coming or not. So this was definitely a surprise when I got home. So seeing that I know it's diamond painting related, I knew I would have to film an unbagging video here. So let's see what Karen sent me, shall we? It is fragile, so must open with care. Don't want to harm the contents. Oh, there's more things. Oh, look at that. I've got a little note with my name on it. Isn't that cute? It's a little Hallmark note. Let me see here. Oh, thank you, Karen. I will enjoy this. I'm sure I know what it is. I've been looking forward to this. Well, she did send me a little macaroon here, so that's awesome. Awesome, awesome. That'll help me out because I do have a Hank. And she even included the wax with it. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Karen. That will come in handy because I do have a Hank, and he does like to take my wax and chew it up and take away. Now, yeah, he didn't chew that one up, but I've thrown away all the ones he's thrown up. He's chewed up on me. This is what I was looking forward to. Oh, come on. Just open it. There it is. My Bob Ross diamond painting pen. I love it. That is so awesome. How cool is that? That is so awesome. It looks just like him. I love it. That is great. I will definitely start using this one because this is just fantastic. I love it. Now you can see it does. It looks just like Bob. He's even got the trademark blue shirt and jeans on with the palette. And the paintbrush. That is so cool. And I like the way you did the end of it there. That is great how you did that tip. It's nice and solid. It's a nice heavy pen too. And it's got a nice feel. It's like you can put your thumb right over the palette and it's just like a perfect position for yes. This is great. Thank you so much, Karen. When you showed these on the website on your Facebook group and asked who would want one, of course I had to have a Bob Ross. Bob Ross is like one of my idols in life. I love Bob Ross. In fact, if I had the room here in the apartment, I would get the easel and I would get the paint set and all of the paint tools and I would paint along with him because every single one of his videos is on YouTube. From all 29 seasons that he actually recorded are on YouTube. And I've seen all of them at least once. And yes, I had to have this when you asked. So thank you so much, Karen Doss, and thank you very much for this. This is going to come in handy as well. I've been needing to get one of these. So they will definitely get put to good use. Probably not tonight, maybe later. I'm doing DoorDash tonight, tomorrow night and Wednesday night. So yeah, I probably won't be doing a whole lot of diamond painting until Thursday this week. So I will definitely make good use of it when the time comes. So thank you so much, Karen, and you all. You're wonderful, wonderful. I definitely have to order some more stuff from you. You've got that bullet pen. I want to get one of those so bad. So I'll probably be ordering one of those soon. So thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, rock on, y'all.